token, they will have in their system. They will cross check whether the passing credentials are correct or not. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see in detail, not an issue. Now, guys, let me go to the database again, once again. I think anybody is there without attending the past two sessions, Monday, Tuesday. Anybody is there? Hello. Anybody is there? Hello. Who is anybody is there who don't attend the classes Monday and Tuesday? Okay, I'm not getting responses. So not an issue. I will take it like everybody has attended the last 2 days classes. Okay, so now we can go with the next things. Okay, so what we have done in the past 2 days is we have created a database. Under the database we have created one table. That table structure will be like id, name, password, email, mobile, city, data created. Okay, so similarly our form, whatever the data we are entering, okay, the same, the all the data should be captured in the database. That is the final objective for us. So we are capturing all the data in the database table. So we are creating the table in the name of the respective items: ID, name, password, whatever, email, mobile, city, data created. So each columns have the separate data types, which can be integer or which can be varchar, which can be char, which can be text, which can be small text, or whatever. Okay, so these are the things already we have done. Yesterday also we have seen that two things we have seen. One is insert query and another one is create table query. Okay, so using those two queries, what we can able to achieve in the system, in the MySQL database system, is we can able to create a table using multiple methods. The method one is using the interface itself, we are manually creating a table. The second method is using the query. We are using create table, and then we are giving all the column names and with the including the data types and then the length of the data type also. Okay, so yeah, so these two things already we have seen, right? So now what we need to do is, now we are having a, for example, let me go on Google and try to get some product. For example, MySQL sample product table SQL or something, whatever. MySQL sample database. Okay, because when you have some sample database with some products, you can understand. Yeah, so let me download this. Yeah, I'm doing unzip. So this is a SQL file. So I think this has a lot of data. So what we do is a common database we can create now. For example, I'm just going to the databases, test database, create. So I have created one database. Now what I'm doing is I'm just importing tables from the downloaded source. my SQL sample database .sql. Just click go. So yeah, yeah, some error is also there. At the same time, some imports has been also done. I think not done. Okay, because why? The thing is maybe the database name can't create table classic models dot customers. Okay, so classic models has been a database name. They have already defined. Okay, so not an issue. We can rename the database. We can go to the operations and we can remove the database, or we can copy the database to the different name. We can rename the database to the this name classic models. Just we are renaming the database. Okay, so it will be automatically renamed into a new name classic models. Okay, whatever the name we can keep it, not an issue. The either vice versa, what we can do is we can directly open that SQL and we can change the classic models database name into the different name also. That is also possible. Okay, now I am importing a sample SQL database. Again I'm getting error. So now let me check what is the error, why. So I'm just opening the MySQL file. So here what they have given, table structure. Okay, create table customers. Okay, insert into customers. Okay, all these are the things. Okay, so these are the insert queries with the values. Okay, what is the issue now? So bug fixing is a very important thing. If we try to fix the bug, definitely we can improve ourselves. Uh, okay, create table customers. Customers is a table. Customer number, customer name. Okay, okay. On create table classic models dot customers. Okay, foreign key constraint is incorrectly formed. Okay, what is that issue? We need to open. Use classic models. Okay, even we don't want these table name drop table if exist customers. Okay, okay, simply what we can do is we can simply remove all these things. Not an issue. Directly we can create customers and then data for the table customers. And then what are the things, how many products are there? I think many products are there. Okay, not an issue. So what are these are the things? I think something is not correct. 1 second. Yeah, data table for order details. Okay, not required now. We can go with the create table order details. Okay, okay, okay. We can simply remove this. I think 1 second. Okay, so there are multiple tables are there. Let's first create a table using, yeah, simple, only one table is enough for us. Ten queries executed, import has been successfully finished, but still the error is there. Okay, so we need to find out. We need to analyze what they have done the mistake. But simply what we can do is, yeah,
So we can remove the table,
remove the table. Which table?
like customer table, error table.
Yeah, we can remove that table as well. Yeah, okay, not
So
an
that the error
issue.
will not come. I think so.
Okay, not an issue. This is the some external data, it may have some errors. Let us directly go to our database, whatever we have created yesterday, Amazon. We now even we can also create one new table now, products. For example, yeah, created table products. For example, with 4 column, that is enough. Product name, yeah, ID required, product name, oh, image or product name, product SKU or whatever. Just simply we are a data created. Okay. Hmm? Right. Color. I'm just giving some more attributes. Okay, color. What else we can give in for a product? Color we can give as an attribute.
Size.
What? Size we can
Size.
give. We can give. Yeah. Just I'm creating a table. Okay. So now we are filling with some products. For example, we are writing a simple insert query. So the another way is to generate a insert query. Directly we can insert into a table. ID will be automatically taken. For example, watch 1. Color is black. Size is, what may be the size? Oh, all the things are integer. Why integer? We have, I think, we didn't notice that. We should not. So that is why it is. So it should not be like all the things should be integer. We need to change. ID should be in. Yeah, ID should be integer. Other things should be varchar or text or whatever, which will be comfortable for us. Okay. Now we need to change the ID also with the auto increment and also the primary. Where is the primary index set? 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Collation. Okay. Attribute and design. Okay. Auto increment is fine. Okay. Not an issue. Okay. So it should be also auto increment. Yeah. Primary. We need to set it as primary. Okay. Okay, that is already set. Okay, it has been set. Now color also, I'm just changing the data type to varchar 255. Save. Size also, I'm just changing varchar 255. Okay. Now we can start to do the entry. For example, I'm insert a product record. ID will be automatically increased. Watch. For example, watch 1. Color, red color, red. Size, for example, I'm just giving 20. Randomly some size. So it will be automatically generate a insert query. So you need to simply use this insert query by filling the different data also. For example, we don't want ID because it is the auto created. Okay, it will be automatically created. So we can remove that null and ID. Now we can do the entry like watch 2. Red, the same red, but the size is different. For example, so the same insert into I'm copying multiple times to enter as a multiple record. For example, watch 2, watch 3, it will be black. Size can be same, not an issue. Now watch 4, yellow. So we are creating with multiple data sets. Okay, so multiple watches with multiple colors. with multiple sizes also. We can keep it as 24. Now what? Now shirt 1. Yes, I'm putting shirt 1. Yeah, even it can be red, not an issue. I'm just giving the size 40. We can simply keep it as shirt, not an issue. Now shirt black, size is 40. Now shirt shirt red is fine. So now I am adding a pant. Black. Size can be not an issue, 36 or 38, whatever. Now if I click go, all the records will be inserted in our table, product table. So this is the product table. ID is there, product name is there, color is there, size is there. Okay. Now we can go to the select query and update query and delete query. 3 queries we are going to have in today's class. Okay. First, let's see select query. How many records are there in our table?
8.
8 records are there. So, for example, if I want to list all the 8 table, I need to click and go to the thing. Yeah. Select star from products. So this is a simple query. This is a very, very basic like ABCD. You must need to memorize it. Select star. Star means all. Okay. So star means all. Select all. Okay. All is nothing but star. Okay. Select star from products. If you run this query, you will get all the 8 records. Okay. Guys, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what I'm doing is I need our table is what is our database products tables. I think Amazon products table. Okay, 8 products are there. Okay. Now I need only product name, not other details. I don't want star and all. I don't want. So I need to give the exact name of the column product name. So for all the 8 records, what I'm getting now? Only the product
Only
name.
product.
Okay. Yeah, only the product name. Now I need only the product name and then the color name. Okay. For example, product name. Comma color. I think I'm not sure about the where and all we don't want. Okay. Simply select product name, color. 2 items we need from a table, from the products table. We can simply give the go. So we can simply fetch all the products available in the database. So the same will happen in the flipkart.com. If you go and search under a category men and then t-shirts, if you are clicking this t-shirt, what it will happen is it will run a query, run a MySQL database query from the database table like select star from products. Okay, but the condition is only t-shirts, but we are having all the products in our database table, but I have clicked now only t-shirts. So if I want to have only t-shirts, the query will be written in the backend in the programming. It will be executed as select star from the product table or whatever. They maybe have a different name for the table. Okay, not an issue. Select star from the table where means the condition I am just saying that where the product name is equal to t-shirt. So this is the query. For example, in our case, we are, yeah, hello.
Amazon also is using same SQL.
Yeah, yeah, definitely they will have MySQL or SQL Server. I'm not sure about it, but
Okay.
definitely SQL Server or MySQL only. Okay, we can Google it and we can find it what database they are using. Okay, not an issue. Huh? So what the thing will happen is when I am clicking a t-shirt or shirt or jeans, what it will happen, it will go execute a query in the database and it will fetch the record whatever we want, that record only. For example, in the database n number of records are there. For example, 8 records are there, but I don't want 8 records to be displayed. I want only 3 records to be displayed. For example, select star from products. Limit is a very important function in SQL. Okay, limit 4. I'm just putting limit 4. We can use 0, 4 or 4. Okay, I'm just putting 4. What it shows now? How many products it's showing? Only
4.
Only 4 listing. Okay, now for example, I'm just editing the same. I am just giving now 4, 8 or 4, 7. I am now giving, for example. So now 4, 7 means after 4, it will give, for example, yeah, let me edit like this, 4, 1. So then you can easily understand. Okay. So how many records are displaying now?
1.
Only 1 record is displaying. But after the 4th record, I need only 1 record. Okay, so this is the way how we need to get the SQL select query results from the database tables by doing the limitation. Okay, limit is the important functionality. Now, for example, if we click the browse button, all the records are displaying. For example, I need only red color watches and I need only red color shirts. What do I need to do? I need to write a query select star from products where it's a simple condition where color is equal to single quotes red. I'm only putting only one condition. So this is the condition, guys. You need to understand. Select is the select. I already told you that we are going to a shop. We are going to a showroom. How to ask from a salesman to get a shirt from the 4th row black color shirt? You will simply tell him like that 2nd row black shirt, please get it for me. The 3rd row 2nd column white shirt or black pant, please get it for me. You will tell the command like that. The same command only you are going to execute as a SQL query. Whatever you are telling in to a salesman in words verbally. So in Tamil, அந்த சட்டை எடுத்து கொடுங்க, அந்த சிவப்பு சட்டையை எடுத்து கொடுங்க. So मुझे वो red shirt लेके आओ. So whatever the language will be different. Urdu or Tamil or Hindi, Telugu, whatever. We are using a SQL language. So, but the language logic will be same. Select is the logic. Get a shirt for me. Select. Star means all. From where? From product table where the color is red. If I execute this query, it will list the products where the color is only red. So we are having 8 records in our database table, including black color, red color, including mixed with the all colors. But we have written a SQL query, select star from products where color is equal to red. So now what it is showing the result? All the records, whatever the output we have received. Guys, I think you are parallelly doing with me. So then only you can understand, you can do the hands-on, you will get the hand experience. So the color should be red. For example, now in the red color, multiple products are available. Watch is also available, shirt is also available. But now what I want to have it only red color shirts, not other products. I don't want any other products. For example, I'm just clicking in Flipkart website. I'm just going and clicking any shirts, t-shirts, jackets or casual shirts. I want only casual shirts, not any other product. Then I want to put a condition like I need to edit my SQL query where I need to do one more condition. For example, color is equal to red. That is one condition. The another condition is, one second guys, I think my battery is low, right? 1 second. Okay, so I need a red color products, but I don't want watch. I want only shirt. Then what I need to additionally add is, I need to add where color is equal to red. And guys, one more thing I need to make you understand. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of and or?
Like and means like if the both statements are true, then result will be arrive. Or means if any
Absolutely.
one statement is right, then it will come.
Absolutely, absolutely correct. For example, let's say one example. I'm just saying that we both have to go tomorrow to our company. For example, me and Zahir should go to me and Zahir. The word you must need to understand. Me and Zahir need to go to the company or whatever. Go to the market tomorrow. For example, let's say me and Zahir have to go market tomorrow. For example, I'm just saying. So what it means, we both together, we must need to go. That is the statement. Now I'm just changing the same sentence in a different pattern. Me or Zahir will go to the market tomorrow. Me or myself or Zahir will go to the market tomorrow. So what it means, either I will go or Zahir will go. Okay, so that is the statement. That is the difference between the and or. So and means both conditions will be true. It must be true. Me and Zahir must go to the market tomorrow means we should go together. We should both go to the market tomorrow. So I am just writing a condition now. Color is red, and I am adding one condition here, and condition, and the product name. We can, guys, we can use any of the fields in where condition. Okay, where color is red and product name. For example, I want only shirt. Product name is equal to, in the single quotes I need to write shirt, SHIRT, shirt. So if I execute this one, now please watch my screen. There are four products are listing down here. The actual data is 8 records. We have already put one condition where the color is equal to red. So now the number of records are 4. Now we have added one more condition, product name is equal to shirt. I am executing now. So I am getting only 2 records from the table. So whatever I want, I can pull from the table. Whatever I can. If I want only the watches, if I want only the shirts, if I want only the 38 number size, if I want only the black color shirt, whatever I want, we can put the condition directly and we can get it. Guys, don't afraid or don't hesitate. This is absolutely equal to the logic what we are applying in the shops directly. If we want anything, we will tell I only need 40 size shirt. You are asking 40 size 40 shirts, but if they are providing 38 shirts, means is that right?
No.
So no. Similarly, you need to put the correct logic in the conditions. If you put the correct logics in the condition, the output will be automatically correct output. For example, you have written a condition like select star from products where color is equal to red and the product is equal to shirt. Okay. So the database table is giving the output as 2 shirts with red color, but the size is different. 40 size is also coming, 38 size is also coming. For example, I need only 38 size. What I need to do, guys? Please tell me now. I need
And
only
size is equal to
and
40.
and the size
Size.
is equal to 40. Since this is the integer number 40, we don't need to give the codes. Even if we want, we can give. Now what is the result, guys?
Only one record.
Only one record. We have written all the condition. I need only red shirt. I need only shirt. I don't want watch. I need only shirt. I don't want black color. I want only red color. I want only in the size of 40. Now what I'm going to do is, color is not a concern for me. For example, either the color may be black or red. Lot of colors are there. For example, yellow is there, red is there, green is there, blue is there. Now what I'm going to do is, color I need the results from 2 selected colors. For example, red and black. For example, let me check. Yeah, black is also there, yellow is also there, red is also there. I don't want any yellow shirts, but I want black and red. Any shirts, I'm okay with any 2 shirts. So what I need to do is, I need to put a or condition. Color is equal to red, or color is equal to, what is that? Black.
Black.
Now you need to carefully watch this here. One more thing is there. So color is equal to red or color is equal to black. Okay. For example, if you are not adding any other conditions like and condition, the product name should be shirt, or for example, if you are not adding this kind of additional items, only you are meaning colors. For example, you are selecting. So all the red and black color will be appear. Now we are getting 7 records. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 record is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 records are missing. 7 records are coming out of the red and black colors. Okay. So if you are putting only one condition, only one column condition, sorry, if you are putting like OR condition for the same column, apart from that you don't have any condition, means not an issue. For example, now I am just editing. Select star from products where color is equal to red or color is equal to black. That is your query. That's it. Exit. Okay. That is finished. This is your simple query. But now if you are trying to add few more things, for example, I want to add some few more things. I need red or black shirts, but only shirt, not other items like watch or anything. Okay. So here you are including and condition. Okay. So you need to carefully watch, carefully handle this here. Color is equal to red or color is equal to black, and now you are joining the and condition. Okay. Now you are adding a and condition not only with this black color, you are adding the and condition with both the colors, color red and black. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to put it in a bracket. So this is completely one condition. This will be considered as a one condition, either red or black, not an issue. But color is equal to red or color is equal to black. So these both items are a single condition only. So that is why we are putting in a bracket, and then we are adding additionally, and the product name should be shirt, size is 40. Now I am executing this. So I will get red shirt and black shirt in 40 size. So 2 shirts are coming now. I can select any one, whether if I like red, I can pick it up. If I like black, I can pick it up. But the size is 40. But if you think like I don't want any size issues. For example, if I want shirt, but I don't want sizes, means you can remove this condition and you can run the query. Now 3 shirts are coming. Red shirt with 40
without
size.
bracket,
Yeah, tell me.
without open close bracket also we can do.
No, we cannot. We should not do. Why? Because why I am saying, for example, if you are doing like this, okay. For example, if you are doing like this, how many records are coming?
No, 3.
I need only shirt. For example, I need only shirt, right? I
Yes.
don't want watches.
Yes.
So now do you understand why the bracket is influencing in this place? So if you don't use the bracket, it will
Okay.
bring the red color and black color watches also.
Okay. Why it's not taking like that?
That is why
Like-
I am saying, yeah, that is why I am just saying that this OR condition with the same column. For example, you are putting 2 condition in a
Yes.
same column. Color is equal to red or color is equal to black. So the 2 items are one condition only. You should consider it as a only one. That is why we are putting bracket. You are putting two conditions, but you need to consider it as a only one condition. Color is equal to red or color is equal to black.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Yes,
What is
I
your
mean,
doubt?
if we are putting yes, if we are putting like colors are red, colors are black, but you are putting like and product name is equal to shirt, like
Yeah.
black or red, but in product name it is red shirt.
Yeah. That is why I am saying that it will take, for example, if you don't use the brackets, means how it will take it up, like color is equal to red is one condition, color is equal to
Okay.
black is two, number two condition, and
Okay.
product name is equal to shirt, three condition
Okay.
it will take. So you are applying two conditions for same column. In that case, you need to put bracket. So the system will automatically take it as a one condition. Either red or black can come, but shirt only come. For example, if you don't want shirt, you can remove the brackets.
Okay. Like it is this is the like this is structure it is developed predefined it, or we should write like this.
Nene. So you need to understand by executing the differences. For example, I am just copying this. Now I am just, what I am doing is color red or black. Okay, so I don't want any other conditions. I'm just removing. What you are getting now? All the red and black color, but all the product. Correct. If I now edit, the query, and if I'm adding, for example, these are the two conditions. Okay, now I am just
Okay.
or yeah, that is why I am just telling you what is the difference between and or. And means both should be together. For example, for example, I am just removing this second color. I am just putting under. It may be small or capital, not an issue. Under product name is equal to watch. For example, shirt I'm just giving. Okay, so the color is red and the product is shirt. So in between I have used and condition. So the and condition means when both conditions are met, only it will give the results. For example, I'm just editing. Here I am just giving a color green. Okay, and I am executing. What is the result? Result is zero.
None.
Nothing is displaying. Okay, because why?
Okay.
You need to analyze why. Because
Actually
green
display.
color shirt is there. For example, product name is shirt. In our database table, there are 8 records and 4 records of shirt is available.
Yes.
Okay, shirts are available in our database, but green shirt is available or not?
No.
So the
Not
result,
available.
yeah, that is why I am saying that the result will come only the both conditions are met.
Okay.
For example, now I am just giving yellow. So it will search yellow shirts. Yellow shirt is also not available. Red is red and black. For example, I am just changing or I am adding, shall I add one more record with a yellow? So product name shirt. shirt yellow 40. Now I am adding one more record. Now here I am just executing the same query now. Only one record is coming. Because why only one record is coming? The yellow color is available and the product
Yes.
name should be size. But there is
Yes.
no yellow color. Yeah, there is only one record with yellow color and shirt. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I'm just going to do is the color can be yellow or the color can be red. Guys, if you don't understand, please ask me. Otherwise, this is very, very basic. This is very, very, very important for your career. Okay. I'm just giving color yellow or red. So both colors, whatever the records available with the both colors, it will be displayed. So all the red colors are coming, all the yellow colors are coming, but not about the products because we don't have any condition. We have applied condition on only the color, not on the product. But here, if you check on this, you can find one thing. Where is the black shirts and black watches?
No.
Why no? Because we
Yes.
have applied only the color yellow or red.
Yes.
Now, additionally, I am applying one and condition or condition or product name is equal to shirt. So now if you see the condition number 1 is yellow, color yellow. So yellow color results are available. 2 yellow is there. Condition number 2 is color is red. All the red color watches are all the red colors are also there. And after that, I have put one more condition. Product name should be shirt, but I don't mention color black, but the black is also available. Why the black is also available? I am using OR condition. Product name is equal to shirt. So if I am using the OR condition and I am telling product name is equal to shirt, all the shirt will come. It will not consider about the color.
Okay.
But if I want to restrict the product also means I need to put the and condition. So and is must, both should be available. For example, I need to use the bracket on the OR condition. Two conditions are the same columns. So we are using the bracket color yellow or color red. All these are the only one condition. And so two conditions only I am applying. Color can be either yellow or red. That is not an issue for me. But the product name should be only shirt. The watches should not come. If I am executing like this, all the red and yellow will come, but only the product shirt will come. Guys, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Guys, any doubts? Please ask me. தமிழ்ல இருந்தாலும் கேளுங்கப்பா. யாருக்காச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா?
இல்ல சார், கிளியரா இருக்கு.
புரியுதா? புரியலன்னா
புரியுது
கேளுங்கப்பா.
புரியுது சார், சூப்பரா.
So this is the way. There are many ways are there. Okay, I have simply introduced with simple where condition. Select star from products. If you do like this, all the products will come. Second thing is, if you selecting like this, select star from products, limit 5. Only 5 products. First 5 will come. Okay. And then if you are putting some condition, select star from products where color is yellow. Only yellow will come. Where color yellow or color is equal to red. Both red and yellow will come. If you apply multiple condition like color is equal to red, but color is equal to red and product name is equal to shirt, only red color shirts will come, black color shirts will not come. Okay guys, so these are the very important basics of the MySQL, not only MySQL. If you know this logic, any database you can handle, SQL Server, my MS SQL Server, Oracle, whatever, all the SQL, all those databases are common. All those databases are using only SQL query. So you can definitely boldly you can go and tell them I know Oracle query. I simply you can tell I know SQL query. If they are especially if they are asking MySQL, you can boldly tell you can I know very well about MySQL. If they are asking Oracle, you can tell them Oracle is also part of SQL and PLSQL, so I can handle Oracle also. So guys, in today's class, we have seen only the select query with minimum feature. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to see in detail, okay, with some joins, some other queries as well, some delete query, update query, okay, whatever. So these are the basics. I humbly request you, please execute these queries. I'm just simply, if you want, I can export and put it something. For example, I'm just exporting. Yeah, what I'm just doing is I'm exporting this table. So in exporting also, the format can be, for example, if I am just giving SQL, I can directly pull as a SQL command, SQL file. If I am just giving like for example, 1 second, where is that?
So NoSQL means like Node.js. It is.
No SQL means yeah, in Node.js. Actually, MongoDB is one of NoSQL query. Okay, huh?
Okay. Is same as it is SQL, or we have to read newly something?
Yeah. It will have some different structure.
Like, what is the difference, sir? It is which is good and which is fast nowadays.
No, it is not like that. The standard is SQL only. But nowadays, in a very rare case, in some applications, we are using the NoSQL because of the dependency. For example, PHP, .NET, Java. These are the technologies will use the MySQL. These are the technologies compatible with the MySQL. Not only MySQL, SQL, MySQL, Oracle. Okay, so we can use all these databases. But in some cases, some kind of NoSQL database, MongoDB, and some Node.js, they are preferring NoSQL queries. Okay, so that is why they are using that kind of NoSQL queries. Okay, so it all about the dependency only. For example, you cannot install Apache in the Windows server. Why you cannot?
Because it is Microsoft.
Because it is Microsoft product. They will not allow. Microsoft product is IIS. IIS is the Microsoft product web server. So you need to only install the IIS in the Microsoft. Yeah, okay, MS. Yeah, Microsoft. What is that? Yeah, Windows. Yeah, Windows.
Windows.
In Linux, you can go for the Apache. So similarly, every programming language has some dependency. Based on the dependency, but 95 percentage 95% people, they are using MySQL and SQL, MySQL, PLSQL. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. So you can directly. Yeah, I'm just exporting this. I'm just opening, and then I'm just copying the create table with the records also. Yeah, 1 second. Till this enough. Okay. We don't want other stuffs. So I am pasting the same in the chat box. Please create a table with the products in your local database, and also please execute many queries. Okay, like whatever we have done. Whatever we have executed the select queries with where condition, please execute all those queries and please do the hands-on. Please familiar with the select query. Okay. So guys, I am not following with the assignments, but please take this assignment as a high priority. Please import the table in your database. Go and copy and paste my create table that code and paste in your SQL box. That will be available in this box. Please copy and paste here and go, click the go. So you will be created with one table. So after that you can start to execute with the queries. Okay. So these are the things from my end today, guys. Let's continue tomorrow. Please come by doing some exercises on the same thing what we have done today. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask. Otherwise, we can leave the call.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, who is that?
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Syed Hussein.
Yeah. Who is that?
Syed Hussein, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Sayed. Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, for one time we have to put color, or for every time we have to add the color. I'm trying to ask shortly, sir, but I cannot get.
No. So the color is a condition. One condition we are putting. For example, if you are going to a shop, there are 4 shirts are there. 2 black shirts
sir.
are there, 1 red shirt is there, 1 green is there. Okay. If you want to pick anyone, for example, if you want only red, means you need to write a query, select star from products where color is equal to red. That's it. But if you want to get other colors as well, you need to keep add it. But if you want the color is not at all a constraint. For example, the color is not at all a constraint. Any color is not a problem. You can simply remove the color condition, not an issue. So that is why I am saying you color is there, size is there, and many other attribute is also there. For example, price also there. For example, let's say price is also there, 500 is there, 1000 is there, 1500 is there, but you only need less than 1000. So at that case you need to add the price also in the condition.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir, but I'm asking about color tag, sir. You put color is equal to red or color is equal to black. For that, we can only put color is equal to red only, no, sir, or black or yellow,
Yeah,
without
if you
adding
want.
color tag again.
No, that is why I'm saying if you don't, not at all, if you are adding color condition, no issues. If you don't want any specific color, but if you want specific color, means you must need to mention it.
Okay, sir. Without adding the color, we can.
Definitely, we can pull the record, but the result will come with the mixed colors.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So it
That's
is all those things about up to you only. If you want only red color, you can put the restriction. If you don't want, if you are okay with all the colors, you don't put any condition.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'm
That's it.
asking about color tag.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Like using PHP and .NET only we can connect. Like PHP, .NET or Java only we can connect to SQL servers database.
Yes, yes, Java, PHP, Python, all these technologies, .NET. .NET is also a product of Microsoft. So Microsoft product is SQL Server, and also for in .NET also you can connect the MySQL database. Not an issue. SQL
And
Server is the product of Microsoft.
like, but for using HTML and CSS, it is just front end.
Yeah, it is
So-
just a front end. There is no dependency.
Okay, just front end, but we are creating a front end first, and then we are bringing a like .NET or Java, Python, any programming language. From
Yeah.
there, we are into a database and showing to the front end.
That is the absolutely correct question. We have already completed the front end items, right?
Okay,
Now
yes,
we are going with the database. Now we once after learning this database all the items, I think
Okay.
the database it will complete this week end. I think Friday or next Monday only we will complete the database. Okay, so Monday or Tuesday we will start PHP or Python. On that programming classes only you can get to know how to connect the programming and database. So that is why we have kept this class before programming. Okay, so after during the programming session you will get to know how to connect the database with the programming, how to get the results and display in the HTML. Now we are, for example, I'm just sharing my screen once again. So whatever we are executing the queries, all those results are displaying in MySQL interface. Okay, not in our web page. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But if you want to display all these results in your web page using HTML,
Yes.
there only you need to connect the MySQL database using PHP or Python.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. These are the concept. Now only I think you guys are realizing the real time things.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, what about others? Pa, மத்தவங்கலாம் இருக்கீங்களா? ஜீவிதா, இலக்கியா, பொன் பாலாஜி, ஜியாவுதீன், சையத் இப்ராஹிம்,
இருக்கேன் சார் இருக்கேன்
ஈஸ்வரி,
சார்
எஸ்மா, என்னாச்சு? டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, guys, let's meet tomorrow. Thank you so much.
ஓகே சார் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.